Hello everyone, welcome to Bonnie's Bargains. I hope that all of you are having a wonderful day. I would also like to say welcome aboard the Dollar Tree train back to School Collab. And the hostess with the mostest is Miss Jackie Russell. And Jackie, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for inviting me or letting me be in this collab with you and all the rest of the beautiful ladies. So, what is this collab about? So, YouTube family, this is where you come in. Well, all the channels that are participating, we will all choose 10 Dollar Tree back to school items, and then you, my YouTube family, will rate each channel's haul 1 to 10. Now 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. So let's start off with my items. What have I chose? So to be honest, I took my grandchildren with me to the Dollar Tree, and they chose what they wanted, because when this collab is over, my grandkids will get this to take back to school with them. So the one thing they chose was a jot calculator, colorful gel pens, and they, like you can see, they're all different colors. And there are 8 of them. Then we have Scotch tape, and it's double-sided. And they said, Nana, I need this. So there we go. And then we got 2 pair of scissors, one being for school and one being for craft, and it's by Jot. And of course we had to get purple. The next thing is my grandson is into recycling. And so it's got the recycle emblem, and this is actually a pencil bin. And he was so excited about this. So we got that. Oh yes, Jurassic Park dinosaur. Who can't do without these folders? Yes. So there's 2 of them, and these are from the Jurassic Park movie. And again, it's 2 different folders. And then my little granddaughter, okay, loves kittens. So who cannot do without a Jot notebook? Love those little kittens. And then her pencil holder was avocados, and it's pink. And again, this is a pencil holder. And it doesn't say if it's from Jot or not. But anyway, there that is. And then we have a Crayola pencil and crayon sharpener. And it was chosen in the color green. The very last thing is Elmer's School Glue. It's washable, and it says no run. So I can remember Elmer's when I was going to school. So let's have a recap, the 10 items. Whoops, drop it. So the first thing is Elmer's glue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So those are the 10 items that I chose. So let's just go over this one more time. You will need to rate this haul from 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest. And if you have a favorite thing, let me know that also down in the comments. Okay, so now we're buying 4 collab of things that we need for school.
Blue.
And they picked it out.
Folder. Pencil sharpener. Pencil case.
There you go.
Notebook. There's a little sharpener, a little recycling bin, scissors, pens, and a beautiful calculator.
Calculator. Okay, so let's talk about who's in the collab. Okay, we've got Miss Jackie Russell, which is the hostess with the mostest. We've got unboxings with Arleen. We've got Melissa, which is the 700-mile mom. We've got Gracefully Cheryl, Kiki's Cracker Jack box, Laura Wooten, Laurie Latimer, Monique's Unique Critique, North Carolina Mountain Momma, and her name is Stephanie. We've got Tracey and Chloe, Unboxing, Beauty, and more. And I want to say thank you, Tracey, for helping all of us out in the collab with your collab, with Miss Jackie's collab, and you doing the thumbnail and the ad. Thank you. People sometimes doesn't get the credit deserved for behind the scenes, and so thank you, because it does take time. So thank you for helping all of us out with that. Okay, we also have Jami, Leesman, and then last but least, we've got Bonnie's Bargains. Again, thank you for being here with me today. So let's talk about the giveaway and the giveaway rules. So let's do the giveaway rules first. This is only going to be to the U.S. only, and you must have a U.S. mailing address. You must be 18 years or older. You must like the video, and in the comments, you must use a complete sentence with a secret word. And that secret word is going to be children. Since children are going to need these back to school supplies, so again, children. If you are the winner, please respond to me within 48 hours with your U.S. mailing address to bonniesbargains68@gmail.com, or to my Instagram, which is bonniesbargains68. So I have a Gmail account and I have an Instagram. You must be publicly subscribed to every one of the channels that I mentioned. So publicly subscribe to everyone in the collab to be eligible for my giveaway. And I will check. If you subscribe to me and then you unsubscribe to me, then you will not be eligible for any of my future giveaways. If anything breaks, leaks, lost, stolen, or damaged, I cannot be held responsible for that when it leaves my hands to the post office. YouTube does not have anything to do with this giveaway. I buy all of my giveaway items, and I am not affiliated with any company. Please know also, if you have any allergic reactions or medical conditions to anything that is in the giveaway, I cannot be held responsible. The other thing to make you eligible, remember to rate all of our hauls 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest, And if you prefer, it's not a have to, but let me know what your favorite item was in the bundle. Just curious. And then the giveaway will close on August the 12th, and the winner will be chosen or announced on August the 13th. Now, what is my giveaway? Well, since it's Dollar Tree, and a lot of you go to Dollar Tree, you may need school items, you may need personal items, so forth, so on. I decided to give a $20 gift card to Dollar Tree. It's $20, and this will be the giveaway item. You can always use $20, and it goes a lot longer, or you can usually buy more things at the Dollar Tree than you can other places. So that's what I decided on, since this is the Dollar Tree choo-choo train. So again, thank you so much for being with me today. I ask that you be a rainbow in someone's clouds. Be kind, be caring. We need so much kindness in our world, and reach out to someone. There's always someone that needs your help. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.